Hey, man, you need a ride? I can get you to wherever you need to go if you want. Hop on in. Take a load off. I can see you got a heavy bag there.
I'm actually going back the other way.
Oh, yeah, I can turn around.
All right.
I can turn around, absolutely.
Thank
What are
you.
you out doing today?
Well, I'm actually moving. I got to get rid of a bunch of stuff.
Yeah. What, are you a go-kart rider or
Yeah, I got
it's kind of a hobby?
Yeah.
I'll get turned around up here.
I got a 2-seater dune buggy like. It's got a 750 kg motor on it.
Are you pretty handy with that kind of stuff?
Oh yeah.
You know what? I had a Tao, a 50cc Tao. I'll just turn around up
I
here.
got a 250 Cummins right now. I just need a jump for it.
What, is that a scooter?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see, the thing is, you don't need a driver's license or anything for those 50cc's, those little ones.
Right.
And in fact, at the time that I had one, which wasn't that long ago,
Yeah.
you didn't even have to register them. You didn't need a license plate or any of that kind of thing.
You ever been buying anything like from a yard sale or something? I got the whole house I'm getting rid of. I got all kinds of tools, Bluetooth, generators.
Yeah, you see, I don't really have anywhere to put that kind of stuff these days.
Yeah. Yeah, but heading to the salon and had 2 girls with me. I don't know where they went.
Oh yeah? What, you got a harem?
Yeah, I got small harem ones. Got no kids that know what to do it.
Well, you got well, you're certainly charming and delightful. That doesn't surprise me.
Hey.
Well, where are you living? Are you living on the streets or?
Yeah, I'm trying to find an apartment. I just lost this one because of too many cop calls to my house. I'm next door to that damn Wheeler Mission, and then people spend the whole day in my backyard.
Oh, it was like the House of Common Nuisance stuff?
Kind of pretty close.
Well, what are the authorities pretty reasonable, or were they leaning on you? Or?
They ain't never got me for anything or any problems. It's just that they keep using my address whenever they call the cops, or there is people out there screwing up right in front of my place. I mean, they run around naked. One girl's throwing guns out like she's a flower girl. Another one's screaming. Another person stealing something or breaking in something.
What? It's like a modern day Sodom and Gomorrah over there?
Yeah, my backyard had been. Well, see, the snow hit and everybody wanted to get inside. And I used to be out there myself, and they knew where I lived, so they started piling at my doors. This one lady up here's got 8-10 people in her house every night because of the snow that hit. And people didn't want to be froze. They closed the women's mission. Stuff that people are kind of desperate getting in when the weather hit bad.
Huh.
And
oh, you mean the, well, why don't they just go to the Wheeler Mission?
Some of them are not allowed in there. And they ain't got no more women's facility there.
Oh, it's like segregated there, men over here, women over here type deal?
Yeah, but they closed the women's shelters.
Why'd they do that?
I don't know.
Well, that's no fair.
And then a lot of people ain't allowed in that damn mission anymore because of the problems they bring.
Oh, they start getting rowdy and everything?
Yeah, and so they wind up migrating over to my place looking for a soft handout, you know. Which I do a lot of, man. I feed them and everything else, but I just can't do it all the time. I'm not the facility for that. I mean, it's only me. I mean, I can't clothe you and feed you and get you to your parole officers and all that shit. I don't do that stuff.
What, a lot of them are on paper there?
I imagine some of them are, but some of them I've had to take up a blow and go because they're just too damn lazy to get up and go there.
Can I roll that window?
They'd rather go to jail, you know, sleep in.
What's blow and go?
It's like we check for alcohol and stuff. Some of these people have addictions and things, you know.
Oh.
And they got parole criteria they have to meet and keep up with. You know, it's just a benign. But I can't take care of that. I don't even have a telephone. I mean, and I ain't got but a 1-room apartment. Hell, where am I gonna put all these people?
Did you eat lunch? I'll buy you a sandwich if you're hungry.
Well, I was fixing to stop in here and eat at lunch. They got lunch here.
Well, you want a sourdough over at Rally's?
I'd take a drink.
All right, yeah, let's get a goose. Do you know her?
Yeah.
What's her situation?
That's Roxy. She's a pretty nice girl. You just gotta watch her.
Is she on the street?
Yep.
Uh-oh, I think I turned one too fast. I'm just gonna do a quick do-si-do here, turn around here. All right, there's no police around. I'm gonna bust a Yui.
Well, I'm trying to get over here to Salon with bus tickets so I can do some running around this morning.
Well, where do you need to? I can take you if you need to go somewhere. We can get a couple drinks here at Rally's.
That'll work. I need to go down by the Wheeler next. I want to stop up here at Sierra Mart. I got a $3,000 Cherry Fisher bicycle. Got the fiberglass axles in it and everything, you know.
What, are you buying it?
No, I own it.
Oh.
And I'm trying to sell it. I'd let the sucker go for $50 or $75. It's not in bad shape. It's got a little overspray from the paint booth on it, you know, for painting other cars and stuff.
Did you paint it yourself?
No, it's not painted.
Oh.
It's not stolen or anything. I've had it for about 9 months. And it used to be an electric bicycle, but I changed it back to what it was by taking off the electric wheel.
All right, this is on me. What
can I get you today?
A shake, maybe a fry?
Yeah, can I get a medium shake and a medium fry?
Okay. We have banana, strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla milkshakes.
What are you in the mood for? Vanilla.
Yeah, stomach kind of fucked up today.
All right.
What else can I get you?
That's it. That sounds great. Vanilla shake and some fries. Why not? The weather's starting to break around here. The good news just keeps getting better and better. What's your name? I missed it.
Robert. My name's Cowboy. Most people know me, but they wouldn't know me.
Cowboy? All right. Is that your street name?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So what, are you from Bloomington originally?
No, I'm from Newton County.
Oh, that's God's country up north there?
Yeah,
Oh, oh yeah, ain't nobody feeling no pain.
Mm.
That's still, that's 219 area code, isn't it?
912, 219, yeah, 219.
Yeah, that's still Chicago TV and time and everything?
Well, it's state line. I'm on 41, you know.
Oh.
I'm right on the South Gamers. I lived on a reservation for a while there. Newton.
They have reservations?
Used to be.
Indians?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Well, is that by the Kankakee Marsh there? All the Kankakee River?
Willow Slough, LaSalle Game Reserve, Wapiti Reservation is where I stayed at. And it's right on the Newton and Crown Point line, I think. Anything on this side of the river, my side of the river is Newton. Anything on the other side is Crown Point.
Is that where you grew up?
Medium fry, medium vanilla shake.
Yeah. How much is it?
$7.86.
Oh, look at what a deal! What a deal! Is Val in today?
Yeah.
Oh, can you ask her to come over, please?
Yeah. 1 second.
Trying to get me a maintenance job right now. If I can make it back in time, I may go apply for it today.
Val is the manager here at the rallies. You know Val?
I think I see him.
She's real nice. She's from East Chicago, which is also up north.
Yeah, I stayed up
You
there.
can put that extra in your Christmas fund.
Okay.
Or wait, is it President's Day today?
Yes.
Okay, your President's Day fund. That way you can spend it. Who wants to wait till December? I don't need that.
You don't need it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, how you want- Okay, she can't stop right now.
Oh, okay.
Here.
Oh, that's fine. She's a little busy today. So you grew up there by Rensselaer?
Yeah, Rensselaer. It used to be an auctioneer in Rensselaer auction. I used to stay by.
You used to be an auctioneer?
No, there's an auction in Rensselaer
Oh.
that I used to live by, but I was pretty little back then. I don't remember the address.
Was there good stuff, or was it a bunch of junk? Or
It was big. Barn was from that building down there, that brick building to here square. Maybe a little longer.
a lot of times those auctions attract hoarders, but hoarders don't even really want junk. They want garbage. They want like old magazines. How's the shake?
That's been in good shape.
Mm-hmm.
But I buy like lawnmowers, TVs, and scooters, tools, things like that. You know, used to have the dollar boxes you could bid on, a box of junk for $1, you know, and or maybe $1.50, $2, depending on if you want to bid on it.
I want to be in there like a pair of pliers and a mouse trap and.
Well, I've got everything from broken handguns, crystal radios, antique clocks.
Are you any good as a gunsmith or?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Very good.
All right, there's some fries for you there, Cowboy, and off we go. So our next, you said you wanted to go to the Wheeler Mission?
Yeah, right to that where that cemetery is there at the red light.
Yeah, that's the big.
Like you're going to Kleindorfers?
Yeah, you know what? I like Kleindorfers there
They get too much money from me.
because they've got plenty of everything you need over there. What's just the name Kleindorfers?
Mm-hmm.
You almost have to go check it out just because of the name.
There's a place up north they call Needlemeyer's. It's like that.
Oh, well, it sounds like Needlemeyer and Kleindorfer should be cousins.
I used to call them Needlemeyer's because they're so used to it.
Do they get mad?
No, they know who they are though.
Ah.
They know they're the guys up north. Usually they got a little series of Niedermeyer's has got hardware stores, and he's got places you can buy.
Can I grab a fry? Those things are smelling. It's smelling pretty good. Just one is too. I got real fat over the winter.
Ooh.
And well, it was very good. I got real fat over the winter. I like to rollerblade. I hate exercise. I hate it. But I somehow got addicted to rollerblading. But now I'm too fat to rollerblade. So I got to lose some weight.
I learned a couple of years ago.
You're a rollerblader?
I have. Been a couple of years since I put them on.
Well, they got have you been down to Switchyard to that skate park there?
Mm-hmm. Well, you know, I get chilled out there.
Well, I'll tell you what, some of those guys know how to rip and tear. I was diving off the quarter pipe there.
I did sidewalk surf with mine in the street, you know. No trick riding.
Oh, here's
Some of them are good.
Here's Gene. Hold on. He looks like he's sleeping. We'll talk to Gene on the way back. You know Gene? He's the guy who walks around with the blanket over his head all the time. He's a nice guy.
He'll probably go straight through.
Yeah. He's a nice guy. He just seems a little confused once in a while.
Ain't we all?
Oh no, like I said, I got to get rid of this drobanja, as they say in Serbian. Drobanja. Drobanja is Serbian for fatso.
I know some cities out by Airport Road. They have some strange words.
What are they, Serbian?
No, they're actually Israeli.
Ah. Oh, they must be speaking Yiddish there.
Yeah.
Or I guess it could be Hebrew. I'm not exactly sure.
They speak both, I think. The woman can speak 7 different languages. Speak from South America.
Oh, that's a lot to keep track of.
All of her kids can do the same thing. They're like geniuses or something. She reminds you of Boris and Karloff on Rocking but kind of like her, you know. Her name's Natasha, too. Same as that.
Well, they were Russian, I think, weren't they?
I thought they were, but she seemed to have her attitude. Haircut and moves like her in the cartoons.
But have you been overseas? Have you been to Israel?
No. They have. I haven't, though.
Where have you traveled?
I've never really been out of the United States.
No?
I've been up north, down south, as far as you can go. As far as Indiana and to Mississippi. Florida. Born in New York.
You were born in New York? What part?
Brooklyn.
Oh. But, well, how'd you wind up in Indiana from Brooklyn?
My father was a steel worker.
Is he still with us?
He made trains for Car, General Electric Motors, places like that.
What, did he work in the steel mills by Gary?
Yeah.
United States Steel?
I worked there before.
You worked at U.S. Steel?
Yeah.
Oh, hoorah. My grandfather was a bigwig there from 1935 to 1977. He ran the, I believe it was the number 3 sintering plant. And
I shoveled coke.
Oh, they called it the banjo back then? You worked the banjo all day. Was it did it get a little bit hot there in the around the blast furnaces on a...
Some guys wear nylons.
On a balmy August or July afternoon? Well, you guys worked there. There was no standing around texting back then.
No.
But it was good money, wasn't it?
Yeah, but money was good, but that was when fucking Reagan was running around. They had the recession going, and nothing seemed to be worth anything he did. You know.
So you were driving from Rensselaer to Gary, Indiana every day?
I lived up there.
Oh, you lived in Gary?
Gary, Hammond, Nashville,
Oh.
Darrell, Mellon, Monster.
You spent some time in Miller Beach?
I've been out there a few times out the dunes.
Yeah.
But I never really got to go out there and mess around. Just drop some stuff off and come back a couple of times. I'm straight ahead here.
Yeah, my mom's whole family is from Gary.
What's your name?
Zook.
You. I gotta go straight.
Oh, straight, yeah. I get to talking and I kind of get confused.
Let's see the lady upstairs. Let me call the landlord if he ain't there already.
We're in Kleindorfer's?
No, straight up to the top of the hill
Yeah.
and go right. About maybe almost 2 years.
Yeah. Am I going the right way?
Mm-hmm. Back to that dumpster.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm
Go right in him.
glad.
They take mopeds. They take everything.
Oh.
They took all of them. Hey, I thank you for this, but I got to get out here and find out what you're doing.
Okay. Hey, I appreciate talking to you. If you see me on the street, give me a honk, give me a wave, and I'll pick you up. I'll help you out.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, you got the handles outside there. You gotta.
Yeah,
I went to the junkyard.
Mhm.
I went to Auto Heaven to try and find another handle, but they didn't exactly have what I was looking for. So, hey.
Pretty good with the wrenches. You know, ever need some tools?
Oh, I'll look for you. Hey, I love the Misfits shirt there.
I have a Punisher somewhere.
All right. Hey, good luck to you, cowboy.
Right, bless you, man.
All right, see you later.
Right, see you around.
Ding, ding. You betcha. See ya, buddy. Well, there's another curious soul here. It sounds like he's, he might be in between housing opportunities. I didn't exactly catch what his story is. It sounded fairly erratic. But hey, don't forget, if you like what you see here, go ahead, hit subscribe, hit like, please leave me a comment. And hey, let's get back out on the road and let's find some more people who are down and out, and let's help out. Ding, ding.